Hello amigos and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, step by step, I'll explain on how I make Mexican wedding cookies. I call them polvorones. They're great for gifts and it's really simple, 5 ingredients. I'll take you step by step on how I make polvorones. So these are the ingredients that you'll be needing. You'll be needing some butter, some pecans, some powdered sugar, some all-purpose flour and vanilla, and that's it. Step by step, I'll explain how I make these and we'll put them in the oven, and within 15 minutes, they're ready. So one of the first steps you want to do is go ahead and get your butter and begin the creaming process. We're going to put our butter in and then we're going to put it on low and we're going to put our powdered sugar in and we're going to allow this to cream up. As soon as it's creamed up completely, we're ready to add our pecans and we're ready to add in our flour, a little vanilla, and we can make our balls for our cookies. So our butter has gone ahead and it's creamed up now. We're ready to add in our flour. I'm going to add in the flour slowly into our butter. I'm going to then add our pecans, and it's going to be like a little sandy, which is good. That's kind of like what you want until you add in the vanilla, and then that'll help it all come together. So I'll put all my pecans in. I'll bring this together and then add in my vanilla. And this might need a little help just to bring it all together. As soon as I bring it together, I'm ready to go ahead and make my cookies, and I'll show you how I do that next. So the dough is ready. I'm going to use a little scooper and I'm going to create the balls, try to make them the same size. I take them out of the little scooper, roll them together and put them side by side in my tray. You don't need a lot of space in between each one. They don't grow too much, and we'll go ahead and take them out. As soon as they're brown on the bottom, we're ready to move forward and put our powdered sugar on and enjoy the cookies. So as soon as they're out of the oven, it took about 12 minutes, 13 minutes. You want them a little brown on the bottom, just a tiny bit brown. And you're gonna place them on a cooling rack. It's really important because if not, they'll fall apart. And then we go ahead and put some powdered sugar on, allow it to sit for a moment, put a little more powdered sugar, and we're ready to taste them. So they've cooled down just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and begin the process of putting them into powdered sugar, each of them, lightly putting them in powdered sugar, and then I'm going to allow them to cool a little bit more, and then I'm going to put some more on there, and we're ready to go ahead and give them a taste. If you're giving these for gifts, it's a wonderful gift idea. Just get a tin and put all of these in. This particular recipe came out to about 35 cookies, and so you can double up on that and you can get at least 70 cookies. They are ready and they're out of the oven. They smell amazing. Let's give this a taste and see what this is like. Delicious. Try making polvorones. You'll enjoy these very much. We'll see you in our next video. Muchas gracias. Provecho. Until the next time.